Today is a special day. Emma and Leo are going to the airport for the first time.
Emma, look, a plane.
Yes, Leo.
Emma, what are all those words? I don't understand. Those are flights, Leo. We need to find our flight number. It is flight 204. 204. Emma, what do I do? Do I walk through that door?
Yes, Leo, but first put your bag on the belt and take off your shoes.
My shoes? Why?
It is the rule, Leo. Just do it.
Hello. Welcome to Gate 7. Can I see your boarding passes, please?
Yes, of course. Here they are.
Excuse
me, are you a pilot?
No, I am not a pilot. I am a flight attendant. My name is Sarah.
Miss Sarah, how fast does the plane go?
Very fast. About 900 kilometers per hour.
Wow. And does the pilot eat food?
Welcome aboard, Emma and Leo. Your seats are 14A and 14B.
Thank you,
On
Miss
the left
Sarah.
side.
Emma, it is so big inside.
I know. Come on, let's find our seats.
Emma, I can see another plane and a truck.
Leo,
And
please put on your seatbelt.
Emma, what is that sound?
It is just the engine, Leo. Don't worry. It is normal.
Emma, we are flying. We are flying. Yes, Leo, we are flying.
Enjoy your flight, everyone.
Emma and Leo are on the plane. They are happy. They learn